Hey everyone! Are you ready to crush your fitness goals and get your body in tip-top shape? Today's workout is only 30 minutes, but it packs a punch and will work your whole body from head to toe. We'll be doing 3 sets of 7 exercises each, with only 5 to 10 seconds of rest between exercises, and 15 seconds of rest between sets. This workout is perfect for those looking for a quick, effective routine that they can do every day. Let's kick things off with cross-body mountain climbers. This exercise is great for engaging your core, glutes, and arms. Make sure to bring your knee as close to the opposite elbow as possible, and remember to breathe. 5 seconds break, and then we got burpee. This full body exercise will get your heart rate up in no time. You can do regular burpees or add a push-up if you want to make it more challenging. Next up is high knees. This exercise is great for working your legs and core. Make sure to bring your knees up to hip level, and do it fast and in control. Remember to breathe for low impact. Just bring your knees up without the jump. Now let's move on to in and out squats. This exercise is great for working your glutes and core. Make sure to squat down low while engaging your glutes and core and jump back in and repeat. Make sure your glutes engage and your back is neutral for low impact. You can do the squats without the jump. Let's finish off set 1 with push-up with mountain climb. Start with a push-up and do 2 rounds of mountain climbs and repeat. If you can't do a push-up, you can go for just mountain climbers or just knee push-ups, whichever that you like better. We're just getting started, and we're already feeling the burn. Set 2 starts off with corkscrew. This exercise is great for working your obliques and core. Start by bringing one leg across and touch your shin or your knee with your opposite hand. Start slow if you're new to this because it can be quite tricky at first. Plank jags is next. This is super great for your core. Make sure your butt is not poking up or dropping down and follow impact. You can do it without the jump. River's lunge is next to work those legs. Make sure you engage your core and your front knee does not pass your front two. Let's bring it up a notch with roof jumping lunges. Make sure you land softly and be safe. Don't injure your ankles. So if you can't do the jump, just keep forward or lunge. Up and down plank is next. This is another really great exercise for the upper body and for the abs. Keep going, guys. We are almost done with set 2. Next we have triceps toe touch. Touch your toe with your opposite hand. Make sure you keep your core tight as well. The last exercise for the second set is burpees. Keep going, guys. We are almost there. That's the end of the second set. We've got 15 seconds break, or we can take up to a minute break if you want to, and we'll kick off the final set with some planks with bunny hops, jumbo feet to the left and then to the right. This is getting more difficult now, but you can do it. And for low impact, just do the planks without the jumps. The last exercise is Spider-Man plank. This is a great exercise to work the abs, so keep going, guys. You can do this.